Hey guys, this is Mowing, Mudding, and More. Today we are at a junkyard looking at a bunch of old tractors. Ooh, I like this one right here. I'll have to get a photo of this next time I come around. But we're looking at a bunch of old tractors, and I'm here with Mike Starcher. Feel free to subscribe to him. And there's a tractor running over there. A little bit of an update while I'm here. Nothing much has happened to the Husky, and the Poland's still sitting down, so I can't run my stuff. The snow's too high. Troy-Bilt over here. Wonder what kind of condition it's in. Looks okay. It's missing a seat. Nope. Engine. Sorry about that, the full video kind of got cut out. However, while I was at the saw shop, I looked around a little bit and I found this Sears. And I've actually always wanted a round fender and a Sears, so I'm planning on heading back up there and getting this. Maybe I'll film when I do. For you who know my brother, Maniac Mower, he has a round fender John Deere 110, and this is it. But he actually really likes this tractor, and I don't see why not. It also smokes a lot, which is kind of cool when you think about it. The only thing I probably won't be able to get is a pan seat for the tractor. But I still have not gotten a price on that Sears. So we're just going to have to wait and see and then find out how much I get for it. And then who knows? We'll put an engine in it and everything, and maybe it'll almost be as good as the round fender.